So, good morning everyone. We are group laboratory 2 and we will discussing the color scheme. So, as you can see, the image showcases a space divided into two main areas using color, lighting, and furniture to create the required opposing moods. So, collaborations productivity zone at the left sides. This area is designed to be organizing and encourage collaboration or work session. 'Di ba makikita nyo naman sa picture na may dalawang tao na nag-work and to mas nakaka-focus sila. So next is color strategy applied. Warm, bright, and high contrast color are used to stimulate activity. So by that by that color na yan, mas nakakontrast ang color ng coffee shop. So, mas nagiging maganda ang outcome and ang vibe na na ang vibe na feel ng customer. So, next is warm accent. The chair are vibrant orange and bright blue, creating a lively high contrast palette. The hanging light pictures a stimulation bright yellow. So, sa coffee shop na yun, gumamit sila ng mga bright colors to enhance the color of the coffee shops. Kumbaga, para siyang pang-pa-alive, para mas may buhay ang coffee shop. So, as you can see, ang chair is vibrant color with orange and bright blue. Then, nakaka-alive siyang tingnan. Then, ang hanging light, which is yan, bright yellow. So, pag nagko-contrast na sila, mas nagiging magandang tignan and mas nakaka-relaxing. So, next is high contrast. The bright chair color sharply contrasts with the white walls, and the neutral wood table immediately signaling an active dynamic area suitable for a group work or focus task. So, makikita nyo naman na sa picture na ang table is neutral color na wood na mas naging bagay siya sa color ng mga bright na chairs and yung ilaw. So, sunod. Next is mood achieved. The color create a sense of alertness, energy, and focus suitable for working or fast-paced interactions. So, by that, mas na-achieve daw yung mood na para mas yung vibe ba ng mga customer is maging light. Kasi kapag nagpupunta baga tayo ng coffee shop is to feel relaxed and ma-feel natin na mas makapag-focus tayo sa gagawin natin. So, next is furniture and lighting. Along communal table encourage group work and direct hanging yellow lights provide focused task lighting. So, makikita nyo naman na yung table talaga is parang nilagay siya dun to provide mas itong long group work ba na kapag halimbawa mga students na may gagawain na project mas makakapaggawa talaga sila kasi mahaba yung nila space. Then ang lightning naman ng yellow is mas nakakapagbigay ng static vibe for them to more focus on their work or assignment. That's all.
Harmony and contrast in design. Ang design ay very effective sa pag-achieve ng harmony at contrast through smart use of color at structural ng element. Harmony is the unify o ang buong space ay mayroong iisang neutral foundation and clean white wall at clay gray flooring. Ito ay nagsisabing bridge or consistent background na nagtatay together sa dalawang magkaibang zones. Kaya hindi magiging chaotic ang overall aesthetic. And the second one is contrast the divider. Ang different color saturation ng furniture ay talagang magde-define sa functions ng buong areas. In the left side, which is the productive, gumagamit ng vibrant high saturation colors para i-boost ang energy at mag-encourage ng focus. In the right side naman, this is the relaxation, gumagamit naman ng cool saturation colors like mint gray and lavender para mag-promote ng calmness and relaxation. Ang neutral base and which is ang pananatili ng aesthetic unity habang ang clean, clear color construct naman ay magtuturo sa users kung ano ang tamang mood para sa bawat zones.
Overall harmony and contrast. So the design achieves harmony and contrast effectively. So harmony, the bridge. Pare-pare ang neutral foundation ng buong space, malinis na white walls at pale gray flooring. Dahil dito, kahit mas iba't ibang color scheme ang dalawang zones, nagmumukha pa rin silang magkakaugnay. So, ibig sabihin, may iisang base look na nag-unify sa buong area. Next, contrast the define. Malinaw naman ang visual separation ng dalawang zones mula sa vibrant at high saturation color sa left side. Biglang nag-shift papunta sa soft and low saturation colors sa right side. So, dahil dito nagiging klaro ang mood at purpose ng bawat space, yung left side para sa productivity and yung right side para sa relaxation. Nasolve ng contrast ang challenge sa pagbabalance ng dalawang magkaibang function.